Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2016-2022 Lexus RX 350? It usually means your key fob battery is dead. The car's smart key system relies on the fob signal. A weak or dead battery prevents the car from recognizing the key. The fix is typically a simple battery replacement, but let's explore the details. Your Lexus RX 350 key fob uses a CR1632 lithium coin cell battery. These batteries last 1 to 3 years, but factors like cold weather and frequent use can shorten their lifespan. Consider replacing the battery every year as preventative maintenance. You can find these batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers for around $5 to $10. First, locate the small release button or notch on your key fob. This is usually on the side or back of the fob. Use a small coin or flathead screwdriver to gently pry the fob open. Insert the tool into the notch and carefully separate the two halves. Once open, remove the old CR1632 battery from the compartment. Note the orientation for replacement. Insert a new CR1632 lithium battery, ensuring the positive side faces up, as indicated in the compartment. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely until you hear a click. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions and diagrams tailored to your Lexus RX 350 model. If the emergency start doesn't work right away, try resetting the car's body control module, or BCM. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this cycle a few times, and then attempt the emergency start again. This process can sometimes clear temporary glitches in the system. While a dead key fob battery is the most common cause of the key not detected error in your 2016-2022 Lexus RX 350, persistent problems could signal a more serious issue. If you've replaced the battery and tried the reset procedure without success, it might be a faulty body control module or a software glitch. In such cases, visit your Lexus dealer for professional diagnosis to avoid voiding your warranty. The future of keyless entry in automotive technology is shifting towards digital keys and more reliable systems. Newer Lexus models are adopting NFC-based keys and Bluetooth LE, offering battery life up to 5 years. Smartphone-based solutions like digital keys via Apple Wallet or Google Pay are emerging, potentially eliminating the need for physical fobs altogether. Battery-free options using kinetic energy harvesting are in prototypes, along with rechargeable batteries to reduce environmental impact. This transition will take some time to fully implement. To prevent the key not detected error in your Lexus RX 350, start by replacing the key fob battery annually. This simple maintenance step ensures reliable operation and avoids unexpected failures. Consider carrying a spare key fob with a fresh battery. This provides a backup option if your primary fob fails, giving you peace of mind during travel or emergencies. Keep your car's software updated. Lexus releases updates that can improve key fob detection and overall system reliability, reducing the chances of detection errors. By following these preventive measures, you can minimize the risk of the key not detected error and ensure a smoother driving experience with your Lexus RX 350.